morning, guys. I am visual artist Brittany and welcome back to another studio vlog. So it is September 22nd, 6:42 a.m. So I'm in the studio pretty early every morning. I'm extra groggy this morning. I didn't have any coffee. I'm about to get up and make my coffee. I'm talking really low because I don't want to wake up my daughters. This house is just like, you can hear everything. Doesn't matter how far away you think you are, everybody can hear you. We are packing orders today, and I mean, I had a really good weekend. I got a lot of stuff done. It wasn't super busy like it usually be for me. I don't know, like it was a little slower. When my workload slows down a little bit, I start tripping because all of a sudden I think nobody's buying my art. I'm like, oh my God, what's going on? But it was just a little slower this week, which is a good thing because I was able to draw. I was able to make a whole, like, oh my God, I made so many sticker sheets this weekend. I made a lot of stickers, and I never, like, almost 2 years that I've had my Cricut machine, I didn't properly know how to use it, honestly. My Cricut machine just to make stickers like 2 years ago, but I never really dove into it or really took the time to actually learn how to use a Cricut machine until this weekend. And I didn't even know how to properly make like kiss cut sticker sheets that I like the way, you know, the whole look of a kiss cut sticker sheet. I wanted the sheet with my logo and my branding on the same sheet instead of making like separate backing. I actually learned how to do that this weekend, finally. It's been almost 2 years and I'm just now really learning how to do it. And trust me, over the past 2 years I was looking at a bunch of YouTube videos and for some reason I couldn't figure it out. At the time, I couldn't get it together. And you know what took me to actually finally learn how to do it? Skillshare. Well, I signed up for Skillshare this weekend and I I watched 3 classes, and one of them was on how to make kiss cut sticker sheets. And it took that one Skillshare class and I figured it out. This is what I mean by kiss cut sticker sheets with my, please excuse my nails. Please excuse, I'm getting my nails done. This is what I mean by kiss cut sticker sheets with my branding on the sheet. So when you get my planner stickers, I like to have the branding on the sheet because before, you know, I was making like separate backing, and I don't want to do that for my sheets. I do have backing, however, for my die cut stickers, you know, which is fine. But we'll get into stickers a little later on in the vlog, okay? Because your girl was making stickers this weekend, like a lot. But yeah, I'm just going to make me some coffee and get in these orders. My printer is loud. I'm speaking aloud. I apologize for my last vlog and you guys couldn't hear me that well because my air conditioner was blowing in the background. So yeah, no air conditioner on today. I haven't had the air conditioner on actually in like 3 or 4 days, so that's good. Anyway, I made this dope illustration last night. She is dope. So this is for like, I'm actually posting this today. It's kind of like a welcome fall illustration. So I'm gonna post that one, and then I'm gonna post this one too. So fall 2020. I can't figure this camera thing out. Fall 2020. She got her mask. I'm sorry, I'll just try to put it up here so you guys can see it. She got her mask, and you know, it is what it is. But I thought it was a cute illustration. I'm still whispering. I don't want to wake them kids up. By the way, the renovations for my new studio, which is in the shed, will begin this Saturday. Yes. My contractor said that he can actually be done. I don't like to call it renovation because we're not technically knocking down walls or anything crazy like that. It's just finishing, if that makes sense. People say that they're finishing their basement or they're finishing their garage. It's kind of like that. We're finishing the shed. Either way, my contractor said he can get it done in one weekend. So Saturday and Sunday, he's gonna get everything done, the walls and the floor. So we shall see. Packing orders, this is Kennedy. Can't really see it. Dressed now, I'm a little bit more presentable. I am on my website right now. I'm actually about to change a few prices. Some prices, like for my stickers, I think is a little bit too high. Yeah, so I'm just gonna like tweak it a little bit just to make it make a little bit more sense. I honestly think that some of my sticker sheets, I'm sorry, not sticker sheets, some of my sticker packs should be a little less money than what I was charging. So, you know, I'm just tweaking it a little bit. I just don't want stuff to be too high, you know, and then nobody buys it. So I just want everything to, you know, make sense. Always gotta make sure I'm thinking like a customer. And I actually have one item on here that was priced too low, so I had to change that. You know, I'm still learning as I go along with this whole entrepreneurship. I'm an artist first before I'm an entrepreneur, so my art just happened to turn into a business. So it's a lot of things that I'm still learning along the way, but I'll get there. I'm only 2 years into this online business and selling my work online. You know, it's a learning process. It's a learning process, and I know I'll definitely get there. It's just some things I'm still not sure how to go about it, and you know, sometimes I have to reference other artists and how much they're selling their stuff for, and I mean, I don't really, that's the only way I know how. So yeah, these are my sticker sheets that I just made. Got a bunch of new sticker sheets for your planners. Please excuse, I said it earlier, but excuse my nails. I promise I'm getting them done this weekend, but Yeah, this one I just made this one this morning. It's the fall 2020 girl. So I'm thinking that I'm probably going to try and like do an illustration for like, I don't know, I just like to do like little mini celebrations for like stuff nobody really thinks about. So, you know, every fall, I actually did an illustration last fall, but you know, every year when fall comes in, I'll have a fall girl, I'll have a winter girl, a spring girl, and a summer girl. So why not, you know? So I know that I'm going to do something for Christmas, so I actually have to start working on that. I do want to try and get some of my art book done because I'm going to do a book. Okay, why not? So I'm going to try to get some of that done before Christmas. That'd be dope if I got it the whole thing. I doubt it though, but yeah, it's just a few things I want to get started now before the holiday season rolls in. Some greeting cards. I'm doing Christmas cards and Kwanzaa cards this year. Just some random things to have on my site as gifts, you know. So last year I didn't do a whole lot because I just wasn't prepared. Last year we had just moved back to New Jersey from Florida. Around Christmas time we still was getting settled in, so I didn't really have a lot of time to do products for the holidays. For Christmas this time around I do, and I'll be in my studio, my official studio, hopefully by Monday or Tuesday. I said earlier, my contract swears up and down he can get this done in 2 days. Saturday and Sunday he can get everything done. So I'm trusting him. He's actually a good friend of mine, so I know him very well. He's always a man in his word, so I think he probably will get it done in 2 days. You know, he said that he doesn't see anything weird looking, you know, as far as like something that might cause any type of issues for him. So hopefully by Monday or Tuesday, even stretch it out to Wednesday of next week, I'll have all my furniture moved in there, my computer set up, and all of that good stuff. Ooh, oh my God. Since I'm always talking about the studio, don't we just go outside and look at it? I got a bucket hat on. So it's actually on my property in my backyard. All right, so we in the shed. So I don't know what the hell just flew on me. I'm actually gonna place the camera down so you can kind of see everything. Can you see? I never can figure out where to like, okay, whatever. So I mean, this is it. Oh, it's pretty big. It's big. You know what I'm saying? It's here. Over here I'm gonna add my desk. I'm actually gonna keep all these shelves for like all my inventory, my easel. I'm just really excited about this whole process. This is a journey. It's a journey. Like, this is my first like real art studio, and this is a part of my whole process, and like having like a dedicated space as a creative. Having a dedicated space for your work is, to me, is essential for any type of success in your career. So it's a blessing to even have something like this. A lot of people don't, you know. I was one of the people, I was working, you know, on my dining room table. I was in my bed drawing. I was on the floor. I was like cramped up in a little tiny corner in the apartment. So from going from that to, you know, something this big, is truly a blessing. So yeah, this is like the pan around. So I mean, it's pretty big. Hope you zoomed in, but yeah, my desk is gonna go where all them shelves that I had to take down. Desk over there. Like I said, I'm keeping those. I'm just gonna spray paint them. My easel and chair. And over here is gonna be where all my packing and shipping, you know, my printer is gonna go here. Yeah, it's really hard to tell right now, but you know, this place is gonna be, it's gonna be amazing. I'm really excited. Yeah, I am super excited about that whole thing. Saturday, we start. I am going to end the vlog here, my dear. I just got like a few little things to do, and then I'm actually gonna go back out in the shed and try to see if I can start spray painting those shelves. Yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you guys are interested in any more vlogs, if you like my vlogs, go ahead and subscribe. Like, why not? This is kind of a new channel for me, you know. This is kind of like a continuation of my Instagram page. I was getting some people asking me about YouTube, so I decided to kind of re-up and restart my YouTube. So this is kind of new for me, and you know, if you like, go ahead and subscribe. I have plenty more content that will be posted here. So yeah, like this video, like all the videos, like whatever the hell you want. All right, so until next time, peace.